it's Martina. I'm at Maxwell Falls in Evergreen, and I have to be quick because it's about to storm, and I'm about a mile from my car, so I gotta find some cover, and I'll let you know how this goes. But yeah, it was worth it. That's all good. I'm only about a mile away from my car, so. But this is gonna be interesting here. Take a look. You see behind me? Let's see if I can get it to show the sky. Okay, well, much love from me to you. Bye for now. Okay, it's really coming down now, so I'm gonna have to double time it to the car, but I just had to show you this one last amazing view. Can you see the cliffs? Sorry, you can't, but I took another video of it, so I'll share it with you. But super amazing, and hey everyone, I made it back to the Jeep, and it didn't even storm. Here's the Jeep. You never know though. So it's better be safe than sorry, and you hear thunder, get out of the woods. Just be safe. Lightning is unpredictable and scary and dangerous. But this girl's heading home. I'm soaking wet, but it was worth it. Gonna edit some pictures and see what I got. So, all right, bye for now.